Yeah, now we just need to how to train your own series model from for beginners. So first, let's create a directory to store our dataset and model. We can set a demo max, and later we can first we need to download the Ultralytics model from GitHub. Yeah, after we click, we can download all what we need. We can download the last one. And copy to our directory. And later we can open it use our PyCharm. Firstly, to build the virtual environment for our training. The CFG directory here is with some they have some projects in other research, and also we have some data, and also the requirements. So we can check step by step. Here are some. So first we need to use Anaconda to create a new environment. If you don't have Anaconda, you need to download either Anaconda or mini Anaconda. And here we will create a new environment. We can name it as new December 5, and we can assign a Python version here. Here I will use a 3.96 version. Okay, just like yes, and it will go through all the necessary process to create our new December 05 environment. And later we need to activate our new environment. So now you can find we are in the new environment. And the first thing here I think the most important is to install the PyTorch, because usually the most errors if you failed when you build the dependence, the main is because of the PyTorch version is not matched with your current project. So to install PyTorch, here we go. It's an efficient website. Here you will first find the most latest version. You can choose Windows. So if your system is Windows, you can choose Windows, and you can choose Conda or Pip to install your PyTorch. You can also choose Mac. And here's a very important point, I would say, because commonly I will use previous version of PyTorch, like 1.11.1, because usually in the previous version will has less error. So let's go to fan 1.11. And here I will use Mac OS system and copy it to our terminal. And it will install the PyTorch. Yeah, and sometimes even if it shows successfully installed the PyTorch, we need to double check through going to the Python. So in the next step, I will show you how to check the PyTorch version, and if it's actually we really successful install PyTorch. So we firstly into the Python version, and when we go inside, we can print the PyTorch, and we print its version. We can find it's 1.11.0. So now we can make sure we have successful install PyTorch, and we can exist. For our next step, we are just going to build the virtual environment through pep. It means build a environment based on the current path. And here we can find we got a let me check. Here we can find it shows collecting setup tools, and this line is actually here in this field. So actually we are building the dependence through the py project file. Yeah, and now we have successfully installed all the other necessary dependencies. You can search Roboflow universe. There are many datasets, and you can download some demo from here. Like here we choose we can choose a smaller one. Let me check. Yeah, we can choose this one. That's object detection. And when we check image, we can find its training dataset, valid dataset, and we can find how it labeled. You can also label it through yourself. And here we just use this dataset to as a demo to train our model. So now we can download the dataset. We can download use YOLOv11 and download to our own computer. And we can copy it to our demo dataset. We have in our Ultralytics here we have a data directory, and we can copy paste it here. And after a while, in our PyCharm, we will also get it. So let's check it here as well. Yeah, now we can find a way. This is the most common tool I'm using in the previous time, but for right now I will choose Roboflow more. And here I already have some dataset. If you want to export the dataset, it's similar as how you use in Roboflow, you can choose different format and export it to your local PC. So now let's go to the next step to change our training settings. So here we can find in our download dataset we have a YAML file. And we need to change the absolute path. So we need to copy paste the absolute path. No, not here. Here we have our trainer here. And we will use this command to train our model. And here we will only to save time. We will only train 10 app codes. And for the data here, when you change it to our own data. Also for the model, we can use 11. Oh, before training, we need to make sure we have add our environment. We will select our and using existing and after we build our environment, it will take a really long time to update all the skeleton, and so you have to wait a little long time. So firstly, it will begin to download the YOLOv11 and pre-trained model, and later will input the data we download from Roboflow. So now it starts. And we can wait for 10 app calls. So now we have completed all our 10 app code training. It's just for a demo, so to save time, and we can find, even it's just 10 app code training, the precision is a little low, but it doesn't matter. This video is just to show how to build the environment and the dependence, and to train the model based on your own data set, and to introduce two different online label tool, because it's very popular nowadays. So, and we can have a quick look about the train like 100, 200, the F1 score will be more clear. And the other thing I want to share is about the CSV file here, because it has all the detailed parameters each app code we're training. And the other file I want to share is about a CSV file, because it contains the detailed parameters for each app code, and we can use this file for our future if we compare with different types of models to draw a graph which contain different models and their accuracy and other parameters like our AOC's graph. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you in next video.